Hi, this is Joe Rademacher. Want to do a follow-up here on one of our customers who purchased our equipment and our competitor. So I want to first show you our VendaVolt 32A, which we have installed here at La Quinta by Brunswick, Florida. This is a dual unit putting out 30 amps, 32 amps approximately. All right, both which will be able to charge up a Tesla or any other electric vehicle. And then I'm going to take you over here and I'm going to show you from our unit, our competitor, not to be outdone. So they came to the customer and said, hey, we want to put one of our units that's only for Tesla. So come on, follow me over, you got to see this. So they came here and installed a Tesla unit. Only 2 car spots down from us. And here it is. Of course, this will only work on a Tesla. Where the rest of the world is purchasing all types of electric vehicles. So the market has a choice. They can go just Tesla, or they can buy an XCP, VendaVolt 32A over here. And this does the same for a fraction of the cost. Does everybody's electric vehicle. Thank you for taking for a moment for watching this. Contact us at XCP Corp in Brooksville, Florida. Thank you.